In November 2021, Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA) and Department of Social Services (DSS) jointly launched a technical cooperation project titled Project for Promoting Employment Support of Persons with Disabilities (ESPD). The purpose of this 4-year project is to establish a sustainable and practical employment support system for job seekers with disabilities. ESPD launched a new public service called Linkage Creation Program, which is delivered by social service officers and human resource development officers. Mr. V. Sadhiskaran opens the gate of his residence. Owner of Evergreen Health Clinic, Dr. S. Sivapalan is speaking at the examination room.
Mr. Sadhiskaran is working as a senior nursing assistant in our hospital. He works in the hospital regardless of having a disability in his right leg.
Worker who got a job through Linkage Creation Program, Mr. V. Sadhiskaran speaking in front of the ambulance.
I was in a difficult situation before joining this job. My son is still small, and also my wife has passed away. I faced difficulties in managing to work while taking care of my son's education. It was very challenging to find a job suitable to my situation during that situation. I'm so happy to be able to work while taking care of my son.
Human Resource Development Officer, Ms. M. Nilanthi.
Mr. Sadhiskaran was financially struggling when we first met him, but he had the keenness and he was ready to get a job.
Manager of Evergreen Health Clinic, Mr. N. Sivakumar.
In the beginning, the management had a doubt on the possibility of getting efficient performance from persons with disabilities. After giving him the job, we feel happy and satisfied seeing his performance. Mr. Sadhiskaran joined in. The hospital management is happy and satisfied with his performance. Because of this, we are willing to give job opportunities to more job seekers with disabilities.
Mr. V. Sadhiskaran.
Since my son is a little child, it is hard for me to do a job far away from home. They have even given me a quarters to reside with my son, considering my situation. My son and I are very happy. Now I am able to take care of my son while doing the job.
Mr. V. Sadhiskaran is working at the hospital with Dr. S. Sivapalan and a nurse. Ms. M. Nilanthi.
We contacted the hospital management and based on the data we collected, we are able to provide more employment opportunities for suitable job seekers with disabilities and support their families. We often visited the hospital and maintained communication with the management even after he got the job.
Social Service Officer, Ms. P. Amurtharangani.
ESPD.
Thanks to the ESPD project, it became easier for us to support them to find job opportunities.
Mr. V. Sadhiskaran.
In the beginning, I worked under the supervisor, gradually improved my performances, and now 2 to 3 staffs are working under my supervision.
Dr. S. Sivapalan.
He performs his duties very well. The hospital staff and the patients who come to our hospital receive a very good service thanks to his good work.
Ms. M. Nilanthi.
එමඩිය සහ HRDA
What I want to request to my colleague, human resource development officers and social service officers is one of the main duties in our job role is facilitating the persons with disabilities to get jobs. There are many companies willing to accept colleagues with disabilities. When we directly visit those companies and share the information about job seekers with disabilities, we will be able to support at least a person with disability. Thus, I kindly request you to do this duty.
Mr. V. Sadishkaran.
எதிர்காலத்தில்
As a father, my expectation is to let my son be an educated person. We should not wait till someone helps us. We need to work and earn by ourselves. We can gain what we want only by trying. Therefore, we should come out of the negative mentality of disability and show that we can work as others through our actions.
Mr. V. Sadishkaran is smiling and talking with officers. More than 130 job seekers with disabilities have got a job, and 105 companies and organizations have accepted those workers through the Linkage Creation Program. If you are interested in the services, please visit social service officers and human resource development officers at your divisional secretariat office.